In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive for editing, sharing, and syncing files. So, let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful features that come with OneDrive. Once you're logged in, you will find the app launcher on your screen. Just click it, and from the list of applications that appear, select OneDrive. This will take you directly to the OneDrive homepage, which is essentially the hub for all your cloud-stored files. When you arrive on your homepage, you'll notice an option labeled My Files. Go ahead and click it to reveal your complete library of files and folders. They're organized and ready for you to sort through as needed. If you're looking specifically for photos, OneDrive has you covered there as well. There's a dedicated section named Photos, where all your images are conveniently stored for easy viewing and management. Now, let's move on to the Shared Files feature. This is where collaboration becomes seamless. The Shared section is where you'll see files you have shared with others and files that others have shared with you. It's a centralized space that lifts the burden of managing shared content off your shoulders, avoiding the clutter and confusion that can sometimes arise from wading through endless emails. If you're concerned about the accidental deletion of critical files, fear not. OneDrive has a built-in recycle bin feature that allows you to effortlessly restore deleted files. Alternatively, if you're certain a file is no longer needed, you can choose to delete it permanently, freeing up space for more essential content. Uploading files and folders is also straightforward. Whether you're putting work files in the cloud or backing up those irreplaceable vacation photos, you can simply drag and drop items into OneDrive or use the upload option within the interface itself. Sharing is a standout feature of OneDrive. You can share your files either via email or by creating a shareable link. This offers flexibility, ensuring that no matter who you're working with, you can grant them access easily. Furthermore, OneDrive offers seamless integration with other Microsoft apps, which means you can directly save your work from Word, Excel, and more into OneDrive. This keeps everything consolidated in one convenient location and easily accessible from anywhere. Finally, for those juggling between different devices, syncing OneDrive to your computer is a lifesaver. This feature allows your files to be mirrored automatically on both your desktop and in the cloud. You'll always have the latest versions of your documents, photos, and more, right at your fingertips. And that's a straightforward guide on using OneDrive for editing, sharing, and syncing files. Thank you for joining me, and happy file managing.